Hi, children. It's time to do our 2's multiplication math tables. Are you ready? Here we go. 2 times 1. 2. 2 times 2. 4. 2 times 3. 6. 2 times 4. 8. 2 times 5. 10. 2 times 6. 12. 2 times 7. 14. 2 times 8. 16. 2 times 9. 18. 2 times 10. 20. 2 times 11. 22. 2 times 12. 24. Good job, children. We'll see you next time on the number 3's.